What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Xavier's Marketing Man Cave, guys. Today's going to be a short one. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my dirty little secrets on how I make money with Clickbank. I use CB Snooper. Not a lot of people know about this website. It's absolutely free and it's extremely valuable, okay? Because they basically monitor what's converting, what's not converting when it comes to ClickBank offers. And the stats are posted here. Like, for example, I'm on the dashboard. If you could see, for example, it says top 5 ClickBank products. You'll have a bird's eye view of what's converting and what's no longer converting. And yeah, so essentially what you'll do is you'll snag an offer from here. In my case, I promote make money online offers. I could just go to categories here, for example, and go to e-business and e-marketing and snag an offer there. Very useful areas in here where you're going to make your money is you're going to make money through rising products. Okay. I love using this area of CB Snooper because I just snag a make money online offer here with good gravity and promote it to my list, and boom, surely enough, I'll make a sale. Or obviously, more than one sale. I'll make a few sales, or I'll split test 2 particular offers here and just churn money out of them. Like, CB Snooper is basically doing all the hard work for you. You don't have to test with your own money on what's converting, what's not. They're telling you right here. And it's absolutely free, guys. CB Snooper doesn't charge anything to be a member. I've been a member for around about 7 months now, and I found a lot of winning offers through rising products and also on the top 5 in the dashboard area on just picking a link, because you can grab your ClickBank link on CB Snooper and you could just get promoting. Like I said, you could use paid advertising or promote to your list, however you do it. What else? I want to show you guys my stats. For example, these are my daily snapshots with Clickbank. And this is using CB Snooper, guys. I'll just snag an offer and just promote it to my list. It doesn't get any better than that. This is why I call it my dirty little secret. But yeah, guys, I hope you make money with this. I hope I enlightened you. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell notification for more upcoming videos. You can also subscribe through the description area. There's a link there where you can click on. But that's it for now, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.